Hello everyone, this is a member branch Odoo app, a single way to manage a member across a different branches in one company. User can see all their branches and manager can see it all. It works with both community as well as an enterprise edition. Now let's check it out. After installing this module, let's get into the user and companies where we can create branches. So this is a one branch which we have created where we need to give the company, telephone number, address, everything. Like the same way we can create all the branches. Now let's get into the user to set up branches for a user wise. Now let's get into the mutual admin. First, if you get into the user, we need to enable a multi-branch and then we need to give in branch access whether it can be a user or else an administrator. Now let's get into the preference to set up an allowed branch per user wise. Now in this we can add a main branch, so it will be automatically take the main branch as per the selection. So for example, if I choose an Ahmedabad, where in the preferences you can see a main branch will be took automatically as an Ahmedabad. Now, after set up everything, now let's get into the members. So over here you can see a list of members. Now let's get into one of the members with the John Smith, where you can see a member will be from Ahmedabad and the invoice will be created from the Ahmedabad branch. So now let's create a new member. Now you can see we have created a new member where this particular member is from Ahmedabad branch. Yeah, we are in Ahmedabad. So now if you get into the membership where you can see an option to buy the membership. Now let's buy the membership where you can see a membership list. So this particular membership products will be created from the configuration part. Now in this you can see the gold from this particular one is from the Mumbai. We are in an Ahmedabad branch. Still it shows in Mumbai. To filter it out based on a branch wise, we have an app for that. You can see the app link in this video description. Please check it out. Now, this module is help you to create a membership product in all the branches. If you need to look around a specific branch based on the selection, now in this, if you need to see an Ahmedabad and Mumbai branch based on the membership products, so if you need that, we need to purchase a module which is in this module description. This modules allow you to create a membership product in all the branches. Okay, now you can see in branch wise filter over here, so this will filter it out based on the branch wise. Now if I get into the one where you can see in branches over here too. Now let's get into the member. So for this particular member, let's create an membership where we can buy the membership. In this, we need to choose which plan we are going to choose, and it will automatically fetch the branch as per the main branch which we have selected. Now the invoice will be created in this particular Ahmedabad branch only, and where you can see an option to confirm. That's confirmed it. So while we getting in back to the main member where you can see it will be comes under invoiced member, not a paid one. Now let's get into the invoice again and make that as a paid. So in this, let's create a payment over here. Now you can see that it will be the paid member and this paid member will be from an Ahmedabad branch. And while getting into the members where you can see an option to filter it out based on an branch wise, so where you can see and members from a branch which will be for same for list view, and if you schedule any activity you can see those activity based on the activities wise. Okay, now in this you can see in all the members which are from the branch. These are all about this module. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more audio related updates. Thanks for watching.